Understanding the phrase, tip-off, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss, the phrase, tip-off. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and it's really useful to understand what it means and how to use it properly. So, if you're ready, let's dive in and explore the world of tip-off together. Tip-off is a phrasal verb that has a couple of different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, to tip off, someone means to provide them with a confidential or secret piece of information that helps them in some way. For example, if a friend tells you about a surprise party that's being planned for you, they are tipping you off about the party. Similarly, in a sports context, if a player passes information about their team's strategies to the opponent, they are tipping off the opponent. Let's go through some examples to understand how to use tip-off in sentences. 1. My friend tipped me off about a job opening in her company, and I applied right away. Here, tipped off means that the friend provided inside information about a job opportunity. 2. The police were tipped off about the criminal's hideout by an anonymous source. In this case, someone provided the police with confidential information to help them catch the criminal. These examples show how tip-off can be used in different contexts to mean giving someone a confidential heads-up or warning. When using tip-off, it's important to remember a couple of key points. 1. Tip-off is usually used when the information being shared is confidential or not widely known. 2. The phrase can be used in both positive and negative contexts. For example, tipping someone off about a job opportunity is positive, while tipping off a criminal about a police raid is negative. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on tip-off. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify the meaning and use of this interesting phrase. Remember, understanding these little nuances of the English language can really help in improving your fluency and comprehension. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.